Hi, what's up, guys? It's Tony here, and I'm back again with another video. I'm here to tell you that you can still make money on Fiverr even if you don't have that particular skill to deliver that order. All that is possible by drop servicing. Drop servicing made it possible for me to take home $500 from an $800 order, and also I was able to take away $400 from a $900 order, all by drop services. And I'm going to explain all of these in a jiffy. So without further shalaye, let's get started. Okay guys, I know this is your first time, of maybe not your first time, maybe this word drop servicing is a little new to you, but it is a word that is kind of similar to drop shipping. You all know drop shipping, right? Drop shipping from e-commerce business. What drop shipping basically means is that you get to get an order from your store on Shopify or anywhere on any website you run your e-commerce business on, and you don't actually have that product with you. Let's say this particular eyeglass, you don't have it with you, so you go to AliExpress and place an order with the details of your customer, both the address and co. So the seller on AliExpress delivers that particular order to your customer that ordered from your store, and you get to pocket, whatever price or whatever money that is left on top of the product. So you see, that's how dropshipping works. So the same thing applies to drop servicing. So what is drop servicing? Drop servicing, as it regards to Fiverr or wherever of any other freelancing website, just simply means that you don't have that particular skill, okay, to deliver that particular order. Let's say you're a graphic designer, but you got a request from a customer to deliver a web project, and the price is so inviting and so hard to turn down. Let's say a $5,000 order for that particular project. I don't know how to design a website, but this customer came to you. So this is what you do with drop servicing. Okay, you talk with the customer, all the details, and you guys seal the deal. So make sure you seal the deal. Make sure you get the order. Let's say $5,000 order from the customer for that web project, and you go searching for a web designer that will deliver that project for you for a particular price. So let's say that web designer charges something like $2,000 for that web project. Okay, and Fiverr takes their cut, which is 20%, and you're left with somewhere around $3,000. Left around $4,000. Okay, you share it 50-50 or 50-70 or 40-60, depending on what that designer charge. So it's pretty easy. That's drop servicing for you. So when you pay that person, the designer you hired, and when the person delivers the order, you deliver it on Fiverr and get paid for it. So that's basically how dropshipping work. I have a particular customer right now in my inbox that I replied this message. That was yesterday, January 12th. This particular customer is asking for to build a particular form, and I don't build forms. I'm a video guy. I don't build forms. So what I'm going to do is to look for a web developer or a plugin developer that will build this form. And I charge this customer for a particular price, which we are going to agree, and I hire that particular plugin developer, okay, for a particular price. And when the deal is done, I deliver it to this customer and get paid. You're not doing anything wrong. What the customer wants is, will you deliver this? Like, I want this to be done. Did you deliver it? Yes. So that's fine. Okay, and not just this. I've taken away. This is the $800 order for a particular rigorous web project which I am not capable of. I hired someone else by name Nicholas, and he charged me somewhere around $300. Okay, and I think I took home around that same $300 from this particular order instead of letting this go, because he charged $300 and Fiverr will take their commission, isn't it? So I was able to do that with this particular order. Then this particular order to a $900 order with the same Nicholas, he charged $350 for this one, and I was able to pocket somewhere around $4 something for this particular order using this particular method called drop servicing. Okay, so even if you don't have that particular skill, please, it's not an avenue to let that to let that service drop you by. Most especially when you know that this is something that you know someone that can, get it done for you offline. Please don't let it go. Apply drop servicing. So I think I've explained what drop servicing is and how to make it work on Fiverr. I've already explained this, how to make it work on Fiverr. It's very simple. Okay, so but the logic here is this. Let me just stretch it for you. So let's say you get a request to design a logo and that customer is willing to pay $100 for that logo, and you are not a logo designer, just an illustration. Okay, so what you do is, okay, I'll take this project and thank you, you guys finalize, and this customer, make sure the customer has placed an order already, so it's already going and you guys are on the same term. So what you need to do right now is go over to Facebook or any platform where logo designers, where you have them. You can even hire someone on Fiverr, but I prefer doing it offline, because it's way more cheaper than doing it on Fiverr sometimes. Don't get me wrong, sometimes. Okay, so I hire someone to do that logo for like $10. If we agree on that, the same standard, $10, and Fiverr takes their 20% commission, which is $20. I'm left with $80. So I pay that designer I hired $10 and I'm left with $70, and that is it. Okay, so this is how to make it work. So that's drop servicing for you. It's pretty simple so far as you know what you are doing. So having explained how that works on Fiverr, where to find service providers, like where do you find them? If you don't want to hire service providers, a sellers like you on Fiverr, if you don't want to hire them on Fiverr, where else do you find it? It doesn't matter if you are in Nigeria, it doesn't matter if you are outside the country, USA or so. There's a particular group which I want to recommend to you guys. This group is awesome. It's called Niger Graphic Designers. You get graphic designers, skilled individuals here, everything about creatives. I mean, this is home for creatives. I'll leave a link in the description. So if you want to hire designers, that work on your project, talking about creatives that cover almost everything on Fiverr, writing, design, 3D, all of those things, you will find them on graphic designer. So this group is very, very useful to you, for you out there that is looking out to start drop servicing on Fiverr, most especially if you are already a seller and getting requests that you can't deliver, that you don't have the skill for, then this group will be very useful to you. I'll leave it in the comment section. I'll also pin it in the comment. Okay, I'll leave it in the description. I'll also pin it in the comments for easy access. All right, so having done justice to this particular topic, I think it's time now for you to take action. It's now time for you to implement this on your Fiverr business. I mean, it pays. Instead of you to let that money just slide from you just like that, please don't let it slide. Find a solution. Drop servicing is a solution for this particular problem I just mentioned, and you can actually make cool money from it. Okay, so having done this, I think I've done justice to this particular topic. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and bye for now.